Why your money mindset is sabotaging your bank balance. Are you one of those people who finds it almost impossible to save money? Maybe you live from one paycheck to the next and struggle to pay your bills. Or you're chasing your tail trying to get your credit card balance down. No matter how hard you try, you just don't seem able to get ahead. Maybe it's time to see if your subconscious is sabotaging all your best efforts. Your money mindset could be making you your own worst enemy. What is your money mindset? Back in your childhood, you were given powerful lessons about money, success, and wealth. Maybe you come from a family where money was scarce, or where money was seen as something shallow or even immoral. Were you told that money doesn't grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil? Was money a subject for worry or anxiety? Whatever lessons you absorbed as a child are lodged deep in your subconscious mind and form the basis for your money mindset. Chances are those beliefs are no longer serving you. How do you work out your money mindset? You can start to bring your money mindset out of the shadows by asking yourself what you believe to be true about wealth, money, and success. How easy do you think it is to become wealthy? Plenty of people believe that success is something that happens to a lucky few, or that you have to work hard to get anywhere. Maybe money doesn't come easily is one of your core beliefs. Maybe you were taught that money could make your life better. Perhaps you think that if you could just get that promotion or buy that big car, then you would be happy and everything would be all right. This belief can set you up for perpetual disappointment as the happiness goalposts keep moving. Up the other end of the spectrum, maybe you believe that money doesn't matter. Are you passionate about your work? Maybe you work in one of the helping professions or for a not-for-profit. Perhaps you see a desire to do good as incompatible with being wealthy. How do you change your money mindset? A useful way to start to change your money mindset is to do a quick brainstorming exercise by quickly writing down all of your assumptions about money, spending, debt, being rich, being poor, investing, and success. Once you've uncovered your deepest beliefs about money, you can start to change the ones that are not serving you. Challenge those beliefs by seeing if they actually stand up to scrutiny.